AIM Leasing Company is a franchise of National Lease System where reciprocal service is key. We are the largest national lease out there, and we help drive and provide solutions for our national lease members, as well as share information with each other. We do tractor, trailer, straight truck leasing. Just over 11,000 pieces of equipment. Probably 8,000 of those units are tractors. The rest are trailers or small transit vans. We do all the maintenance under contract for them. AIM currently maintains 54 brick and mortar service locations. ATRO is a great company if you're thinking of changing into ATRO bushings. We lease a straight truck for 7 years to the food industry, and within a year and a half, we were losing the rubber bushings out of the factory, which was a big problem for us. Our sales guy Brian came to us with a solution with polyurethane bushings in them. The ATRO bushings, they last 2 to 3 to 4 times longer than the standard rubber bushing that we replace. We put those units in and then sell them 7 years later with your bushing still in there with a one-time change. So that's what sold us. That means cost savings, labor savings, less downtime on our vehicles. It's a huge advantage for us to use the bushings as a one and done solution. We moved on to the torque rods product now from that point, just based on the quality that we came into with the rear axle bushings. Parts are easy to install. Parts are high quality, have a great warranty, they back their products. Business relationships are key, not just the product. And in ATRO's case, the business relationship is just as solid with us as it is with the product that ATRO makes for us. So from that perspective, it's been fantastic.